Hey everybody, I'm here at our newest listing right in the heart of Bedford Center. You cannot beat this spot. So we're at 37 Hillside Ave. Right behind here is everything you could wish to ever walk to. There's Whole Foods, Starbucks, there's a big beautiful Marshalls, lots of other stores like a toy store. There's also Red Heat, Bruegger's, Posto, which actually just did a really cool thing and opened up this sort of pop-up of their Painted Borough restaurant. And the Elm Street Bakery right within the same Posto building there. So you get sort of three places in one, all coming out from Somerville. So pretty awesome. You can walk to all the parks and playgrounds from here as well. And right behind the house is actually a continuation of the Minuteman Bikeway. So you can hook up on here and connect to the start of the Minuteman Bikeway not too far away and bike all the way into Arlington and Cambridge and beyond. So great location in terms of things that you can walk or bike to. The house itself, I've driven by here countless times and always loved it. There's nothing else like it in Bedford. It's sort of an English cottage style architecture. It was built in 1911, and we were joking, it's like you want to see like Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs or Hansel and Gretel. I mean, it has the cutout shutters and the window boxes and just a beautiful roof line, again unusual for Bedford. And then inside definitely needs work, so come prepared for a project. However, it seems like the bones are good, and I just love all the character inside. So you have a beamed ceiling, there is a beautiful staircase that sort of winds up. It's not right in front of you when you walk in the front door. There's this gorgeous fireplace kind of right in the center of the living room. Built-ins in the dining room, there's a sunroom, and some of the other details are it's a 4-bedroom, it's actually 3 finished stories, so it has 4 bedrooms and an office, which is important these days, a full bathroom and 2 half bathrooms. It's about 1,900 square feet. There is a 2-car garage out back, but the driveway doesn't connect to it. There's actually a circular driveway out front, so somebody might want to make that driveway or move the garage in the future. But again, possibilities are endless. You cannot go wrong in this location. It's a 0.4 acre lot, so it's a nice good sized lot for the center of town, which just it's ripe for a lot of possibilities for adding on, or potentially I guess somebody could certainly talk to the town about taking it down if they wanted to build their own dream house here. But hopefully somebody comes in and preserves this great character. So thanks for watching, and hopefully you'll come and take a look at it this weekend. I'm Suzanne with Suzanne & Company, Compass Real Estate right here in Bedford. You can reach us at 781-275-2156 or SuzandCo.com. So thanks again. Take care.